the press. So I'm going to show you the press and then break it down into steps. Clean and press. Clean, press, and just the press. So the press is great for shoulder strength, shoulder stability, and shoulder mobility. So I'm going to break it down. So a press is, instead of the groove going straight up, I call it that you're going to open up the door and then press through it in one motion. So it's swing out and then up. In one smooth motion. You want to keep your body fully tight. Butt tight, abs tight. With 2 bells. Clean. There's the press.